Hello lovely people, get ready for a special hair treat. Introducing the amazing 12x4 lace front wig in black with highlighted blue, made from 100% real human hair. It's a must-have for all fashion-forward and color-loving folks out there. This wig has hair that is 9 inches long with a density of 150%. And you know what's great about that? It gives you so many options to style it. You can have a short and fun look or go for a long and elegant style. Also, it ensures a generous lace frontal area for a seamless hairline and styling versatility. It includes adjustable straps and clips, ensuring a secure and personalized fit for all they wear. So, if you are a fashion-forward individual who loves to explore new looks without compromising on quality, this wig is your ultimate ticket to hair nirvana. For more details, please visit our website www.wigbd.com and knock us on WhatsApp for an instant reply. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and bye-bye.